Hey guys, so this week I will be making a part actually for a car that I will be doing in the car build series of the channel. I actually have a E46 M3 that I'm building, and it's going to have a Honda K series in it. So I decided to turn the hood emblem, and I'm going to turn to like a mix of a BMW and a Honda emblem that I'm also going to 3D print, sand it down, and mount on the car itself. Probably after the car is done with paint, because you need to paint it, make sure this also fits right, and from there I'll probably have it mounted up. So I'm going to go through, model it out, figure out how to do a time lapse for once, which means I am probably going to set up my phone, set up a time lapse, and then I'll also show you how it's actually 3D printed, how I do all the models and structures for the 3D printer as well, and then I'll go ahead and show the 3D print at the very end. All right, let's get started. All right, so here we go. I'm gonna go ahead and pull this up, and boom, I'm gonna paint the inside red. See if I can get this to, there we go. Sorry, monitor is dirty. Waiting to get a new one for my actual computer, and then I'll be a lot better, I promise. But I'm gonna paint the inside of this Honda Racing red, like they did on the Type R emblems, or just vinyl. Don't know. Depends on how lazy I am. So we'll see. And then I'm going to go through right now, save this as an STL file, and I'll show you guys how I did all the supports. They're probably just going to go right on the bottom. That way I don't actually have to clean up the actual face of this as much. That way I just go through with a Dremel or some sandpaper and just go through and clean up the bottom part of it. And it should come out perfect. All right. All right, here we are. I got the platforms done. It's all since done. I'm using the Chudo Box program that comes recommended with the Photon or the Polyphenom L. So go through, get all these done. I know this may be a bit excessive, but I've already had certain parts that were heavier fail and fell actually off these build supports. So at this point I just go through, make it really heavy. And the nice thing is actually this little lip that it automatically does actually makes it easier to take off the build plate. So we're going to go through, get this all taken care of, slice it, and get to printing. All right, just finished. And boom, perfect. I'm not gonna show you guys how I take it off, but I'm gonna take it off, open this up, got both Formlabs cleaner, and go from there, and then start also, I got another print coming up anyways. Should be good. A little soft, not bad. There's a few little blemishes here and there. All I'm going to do is actually take a paintbrush, take some extra resin, and go through and just add it in there. And before I put it into the curing chamber, just go through and cure it. Nice. And then I'm going to paint the inside here red as well. And with that, it's all done. I need to let it sit outside and cure. It's still a little bit sticky in some parts because I went through and added a little bit more resin. But by tomorrow, I'll be fine. I'll clean up the back, of course, just take a Dremel or sand it down. Got the little pins, but yeah, perfect and all ready to go. I will see about the rear trunk one. I might actually just use 3M tape on the backside and just make a little indent for it and just stick the other one on. And then I'll paint the inside of this red and then do like a silver for this. So then I'll have a photo of that up on Instagram once it's all said and done and on the car. Hey guys, thanks for watching. I will hopefully during this coming up Black Friday sale, I will have a new camera as well as a new monitor and actually a whole new computer setup that I'll be doing all this on in the future, which should make it easier to record everything as well. I should be able to just screen record and just have a way to do that so I don't actually have to show you the monitor off my cell phone and then go through the quality and then fix it up and go from there. But thanks for watching, and then I'll see you guys next time.